Hello and welcome to Daily English Pulse. Today you're going to learn simple, powerful techniques to improve your English fast, even if you're just starting. These tips are easy to use and they work. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Section 1. Learn English every day. The first and most important technique is practice English every day. Even just 10 minutes a day can change everything. Examples: listen to English songs while walking. Read one page of an English book daily. Talk to yourself in English while cooking or cleaning. Say this with me: I will speak English every day, even if it's just a little. Section 2. Listen before you speak. Many learners try to speak fast, but the secret is, listen more. Listening trains your brain to understand natural English. How to do it? Watch English YouTube videos or TV shows with subtitles. Use English podcasts. Repeat what you hear out loud. Let's practice shadowing. Repeat after me. How are you doing today? I'm learning English and it feels good. Section 3. Use simple words first. Don't worry about difficult vocabulary. Start with simple, clear words. For example, instead of saying I am famished, say I am very hungry. Use short, strong sentences. Let's say, I want to learn English. I watch videos every day. I speak with confidence. Section 4. Speak out loud. This technique is a game changer. Speak out loud every day. Even if no one is listening, your brain gets stronger with every word. What to do? Read aloud from English books. Describe your day in English. Talk to your mirror. Describe your morning. I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth. I made tea. Now your turn. Section 5. Learn in phrase. Don't memorize single words. Learn phrases and chunks of language. Examples: I'm just looking, thank you. Can you help me, please? I'd like a cup of coffee. Repeat with me. I'd like some water, please. Could you say that again? That sounds great. Section 6. Use English apps and tools. There are great free apps that can help you improve faster. Try Duolingo, YouTube, HelloTalk, or Tandem to chat with native speakers. Pro tip: use your phone in English. Change the language settings. Section 7. Make mistakes proudly. Yes, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid. Speak anyway. You learn faster when you fail, and try again. Say this with me: mistakes help me grow. I am proud of trying. I will keep learning. Section 8. Practice with stories. Stories are the best way to learn English naturally. Try this. Watch or read simple English stories. Pause and repeat what characters say. Try to explain the story in your own words. Let's try now. Story: Anna goes to the store. She buys fruit. She meets her friend. Now say, Anna goes to the store. She buys fruit. She meets her friend. You've just learned 8 powerful techniques to improve your English. Now it's your turn. Pick just one technique and use it today. Speak out loud. Listen and repeat. Learn phrases. Make mistakes and smile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more English practice.
Thank you for watching.